Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles in additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 13th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve an old additional. Yeah, for more than a month ago, the Thursday edition of March the 2nd, 2023. We have here three puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku, the two stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic. Let me start with the Letter Sudoku. Yeah, Letter Sudoku. And this will be number. Let me zoom this out. This will be number 6268. 6268. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. And those letters, 27 printed letters. Yeah. Unique letters. We have 9 unique letters. Those letters I can use are the M, the K, the O, the S, the A, the P, the E, the R, and the T. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright. For letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a P. We have a P in the second column, so no P in these 3 marks. So 1 mark is left in this big square for the P. Should be there. P in the third column, P in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the P. Should be there. P in this row, P in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see a P in this column, so no P there. P should be there. The P in the third row, the P in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see a P in this column, no P there. P should be there. P in this column, P in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the P should be here, or there. We see a P in this row, no P there. Here, P in that row, no P there. So the only place left for the P should be there. And all the P's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter P. Alright. How about the T in this row? The T in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see a T in the middle column, no T there. T should be there. Alright. T. Need a T here. T. Here can be T. Okay. Alright. A. SS. DT. E. A. Come on. K. Well. 2 missing letters in this first column. For the letters O is missing. And a S is missing. O and S. We have a S in the third row. No S there. S should be here. Now O goes and there. O. S. Alright. Need a E. Need an A. Yeah. 4 missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the E and A. We have E and A in the third column, so no E and A in these two boxes. The E and A goes in those two boxes as pair. E and A, E and A. So what are the two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the T is missing, and the K is missing. T and a K. TK. Alright. So now we have two missing letters in this column. Third column for letters. S is missing. And R is missing. S and R. We have a R in this row. No R there. R should be here and S goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the S. We have a S in this row, so no S in these two boxes. Here an S in this column. No S in those two boxes. One box left for the S in this big square. Should be there. S in the third column, S in the last column, S in the column next. So that column, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. We see an S in this row, no S there. S should be there. Alright. Okay, S. No S here, no S there. S should be there. S in this row, S in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the S should be need to change pencil. S should be there. S. Cannot continue with S now. Need to wait again. A. Come on. TT. No K here. KKK. Okay, KKK. KK. A. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A in this column, so no A in these three boxes. Here an A in this row, no A in those two boxes. So one box left for the A in this big square. Should be there. 5 missing letters in this column. One of these missing letters is an A. We have an A in this big square, so no A in these two boxes. So the A could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see an A in this row, no A there. Here an A in the middle row, no A. There's no only place left for the A. Should be there. Alright. 4 missing letters now in this column. One of the missing letters is T. We have a T in this big square, so no T in these two boxes. So the T in this column could be here or could be there. We see another T in the middle row, no T there. T should be there. E. Well, 3 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters in this column are the letters E is missing, the M is missing, and the K is missing. E, M, K. EMK. And look, we have E and M in this row. So no E and M in this box. The E and the M goes in those two boxes as a pair. E and M. So one letter is missing in this column for the letter K. Alright, I know what the word is. Yeah. Well, let me continue. Let me see the time. 9 minutes already passed. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters K is missing. And the O is missing. K and O. Knockout. KO. Alright. Here, 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the K is missing, the O is missing, and M is missing. Well, we have a K and O in this row, so no K and O in this box. K and O goes in those two boxes. K and O. And look, we have a K here in the last row. So no K there. K should be here. And O goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter M. E and a M. We have an M now in this row. No M there. M should be here. And an E goes there. We solve this word in 10 minutes. Postkamer. In Dutch, it's postkamer. In English, the mail room. Yeah, the mail room. Alright, let me continue with this puzzle. 2 missing letters in this row for letters O is missing. And E is missing. O and E. Cannot fill this yet. The other 2 missing letters are in this big square are the letters. A is missing. And M is missing. A and M. We have an M in this row, no M there. M should be here, and a E goes there. 2 missing letters now in this column for letters. O is missing, and K is missing. K-O, yeah, K-O. We have a O in this third row, no O there. O should be here, and a K should be there. Alright. K in this row, K in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. We see a K in this column, no K there. K should be there. Yeah. Oh. R is missing here. R and M is missing here. Well. TK. We have a K now in the third row. No K there. K should be here. And the T goes there. M and a E. M and a E. M and a E. Alright, E and A. Yeah. Oh. A. K. T in this row. T in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the T should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing. And R is missing. S and R. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Do with all the T's and no, not all the T's. T in the first row, T in the third row, so the row between second row, the only place left for the T should be there. Now I can count, and all the T's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter T. E is missing. E, M. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter M. We have M in the first row, so no M in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the M. Should be there. M in this column, M in the last column, M in the column next. So in that column, no need 2 places left for the M. Should be here or there. We see an M in the middle row, no M there. M should be there. M. Okay. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. E is missing. And R is missing. E and R. ER. Okay. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. O is missing. And R is missing. O and R. Okay, E and R. Well, we have an E in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be E anymore. This box should be an A. And that box should be an E. Alright. So we have an E in one of those 2 boxes in this row. E in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the E should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the letter. K is missing. Yeah, K. K and O. We We have a K now in this column, no K there. K should be here, and O goes there. So we have O in this column, O in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this row, no O there. O should be there. O and the R. We have an O now in this row, no O there. O should be here, and the R goes and there. E and the R. We have an R in the last column, no R there. R should be here, and the E goes and there. O and the E. We have an O in this column, no O there. O should be here, and the E goes in there. S and the R. We have an R in this row, no R there. R should be here, and the S goes there. S in this row, S in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the S should be there. One box left in this row for letter. M is missing here. M, yes. So, two missing letters in this big square for letters. A is missing and the M is missing. We have an M in this column, no M there. M should be here, and the A goes there. And the last two letters in this big square for letters. E is missing and the R is missing. We have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here, and the R goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a Letter Sudoku, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. 2-star Sudoku and a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.